everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Joy. Today I want to show you how you can cook porridge yam, Nigerian porridge yam, and this porridge yam is gonna be so delicious. So I'm gonna introduce the few ingredients here. So I have my red pepper here, and I have my onion, which I chopped my onion already. So I have my Maggi here, my Knorr cube, I have my red oil, and I have my tomato. This is my tomato which I'm gonna use. I have my salt. This is my salt, and I have my yam here, which I have peeled and I've cut it into a small pieces. So this is the small pieces, how it looks like after you cut it. It depends on you, you can cut it whatever size you feel like cutting it. So now I'm gonna cook the yam now. I will show you step by step how to cook porridge yam. Just stay tuned, please don't go away. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and your loved ones. So guys, I have boiled my water. This is hot water. So I'm gonna add my yam, the small pieces of yam. So I'm just gonna add it to cook. So I'm gonna cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. So guys, while we wait for the yam to get ready, so I'm just gonna fry my tomato now. I'm gonna add my palm oil. So I'm gonna add my onion and my tomato. So I'll stir it together. I will add my seasoning. I'll add my red pepper. So I'm adding just half spoon. I don't really like pepper. So I'm gonna add my salt to taste. Then I will cover it to cook. So guys, I'm gonna check how the yam is doing. So the yam is soft. So as you can see, the water has dried off. So my tomato, which I fried, I'm gonna transfer the tomato into my yam. So the tomato I fried, so I'm just gonna transfer it into my yam, but I'm not gonna use all. So I'm gonna mix it together. So I'll leave it to cook for a while. So guys, I'm gonna check how my porridge yam is doing. As you can see, so you can match it together. Wow. I'm just gonna test it to see. So I will add salt to taste. I'll stir it together. So I don't like breaking all the yam, so I like leaving some of the yam inside the porridge. So as you can see, so it's good to go now. So I'm gonna serve it now to see. So guys, this is my porridge. I'm eating it with chicken. So you can try it this way. This is very delicious. You can do it, and it's very simple to make. So there's nothing difficult to make porridge yam. So you can actually make yours at home. What are you waiting for? Please do it and feel the taste right now. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. So give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to help someone. Thank you for watching. Bye.